Friends, this is Kaushal Kishore. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Past simple or indefinite tense. Samanya Bhutkal. What is past tense or indefinite tense? In this part, we study about work finished in past time in simple way is called past simple tense. इस भाग में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि काम भूतकाल में सामान्य रूप से होता था, उसे सामान्य भूतकाल कहते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन पहचान, गया, गई, गए इत्यादि. चार्ट ऑफ पर्सन एंड नंबर. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रथम व्यक्ति, सिंगुलर नंबर एक वचन. I मैं went, I went to the market. प्लूरल नंबर बहुवचन. We हम लोग, went, we went to the market, हम बाजार गए. सेकंड पर्सन द्वितीय व्यक्ति, you और your तुम और तुम्हारा, went, you went to the market. प्लूरल नंबर you और your तुम लोग या आप लोग, went, you went to the market, तुम बाजार गए. थर्ड पर्सन तृतीय व्यक्ति, सिंगुलर नंबर ही वह मेल, शी वह फीमेल, इट यह लिटिल, दिस नियर यह, दैट फार यह, नेम नाम वेंट टू द मार्केट. प्लूरल नंबर बहुवचन, दे वे लोग, दोज वो लोग, दीज ये लोग, वेंट टू द मार्केट. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंस वाक्य रचना. सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 प्लस OC, I plus went plus to the market. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus OC. I plus did plus not plus go plus to the market. Did plus sub plus V1 plus OC. Did plus I plus go plus to the market. Did plus subject plus not plus V1 plus OC. Did plus I plus not plus go plus to the market. How plus did plus subject plus V1 plus OC. How plus did plus I plus go plus to the market. How plus did plus sub plus not plus V1 plus OC. How plus did plus I plus not plus go plus to the market. English and Hindi translation. 1. I went to the market. मैं बाजार गया. I did not go to the market. मैं बाजार नहीं गया. Did I go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार गया? Did I not go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार नहीं गया? How did I go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे गया? How did I not go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 2. We went to the market. हम बाजार गए. We did not go to the market. हम बाजार नहीं गए. Did we go to the market? क्या हम बाजार गए? Did we not go to the market? क्या हम बाजार नहीं गए? How did we go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे गए? How did we not go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 3. You went to the market. तुम बाजार गए. You did not go to the market. तुम बाजार नहीं गए. Did you go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार गए? Did you not go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार नहीं गए? How did you go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे गए? How did you not go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 4. He went to the market. वह बाजार गया. He did not go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं गया. Did he go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गया? Did he not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गया? How did he go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गया? How did he not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 5. She went to the market. वह बाजार गई. She did not go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं गई. Did she go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गई? Did she not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गई? How did she go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गई? How did she not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गई? 6. It went to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार गया. Add name or situation. It did not go to the market. यह बाजार नहीं गया. Did it go to the market? क्या यह बाजार गया? Did it not go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं गया? How did it go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे गया? How did it not go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 7. This went to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार गया. Add name or situation. This did not go to the market. यह बाजार नहीं गया. Did this go to the market? क्या यह बाजार गया? Did this not go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं गया? How did this go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे गया? How did this not go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 8. That went to the market. Add name or situation. वह बाजार गया. Add name or situation. That did not go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं गया. Did that go to the market? क्या वह बाजार गया? Did that not go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं गया? How did that go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे गया? How did that not go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 9. Ramesh went to the market. Add name or situation. Ramesh बाजार गया. Add name or situation. Ramesh did not go to the market. Ramesh बाजार नहीं गया. Did Ramesh go to the market? क्या रमेश बाजार गया? Did Ramesh not go to the market? क्या रमेश बाजार नहीं गया? How did Ramesh go to the market? रमेश बाजार कैसे गया? How did Ramesh not go to the market? रमेश बाजार कैसे नहीं गया? 10. They went to the market. वे बाजार गए. You can use वे or वे लोग. They did not go to the market. वे बाजार नहीं गए. Did they go to the market? क्या वे बाजार गए? Did they not go to the market? क्या वे बाजार नहीं गए? How did they go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे गए? How did they not go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 11. These went to the market. ये सब बाजार गए. You can use ये और ये लोग. These did not go to the market. ये सब बाजार नहीं गए. Did these go to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार गए? Did these not go to the market? क्या ये सब बाजार नहीं गए? How did these go to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे गए? How did these not go to the market? ये सब बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? 12. Those went to the market. वो सब बाजार गए. You can use वो और वो लोग. Those did not go to the market. वो सब बाजार नहीं गए. Did those go to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार गए? Did those not go to the market? क्या वो सब बाजार नहीं गए? How did those go to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे गए? How did those not go to the market? वो सब बाजार कैसे नहीं गए? Mouth translation. Do practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences. Do practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मैंने खाया था. I ate. सीता गई. सीता went. बच्चे गए. The children went. आग लगी. A fire broke out. मैं स्कूल गया. I went to school. वह मेरे पास आया. He came to me. सीता ने रोटी खाई. सीता ate bread. उसने एक पक्षी मारा. He killed a bird. राम ने मुझे एक पुस्तक दी. राम gave me a book. राम ने सुग्रीव की मदद की. राम helped सुग्रीव.